In order to make a biogas plant, we have to purchase a tank of 1000 liters with which is of black color. We have to make 4-inch male and female adapters and connectors. For one is for slurry and one is for this cow dung input. One should be on the top and one should be on the side. Side is for slurry, and you have to make the bends and the connection inside the tank as shown in the video. The slurry is taken from the middle part of the tank, and the input is given at the bottom of this tank. The gas is collected at the topmost part of this tank. In this case, I have connected it to the cap of this tank. Now we have to fill it with the water and check for any leakage. Once the water is filled, this is also being placed at a level area and check for water level. There should not be any kind of imbalance in this tank seating. Then we have to seal it with quick fix and cement, the cap and all other leakage parts where the tank connector and other things are connected. We have to see. Now fill again the water through the cow input area. Now connect all the necessary parts and again check for any leakage. If there is any leakage, just apply sand and then apply quick fix. This will be the best solution for this tank sealing. If you use Araldite, M-Seal, anything else, I have not found it very successful. Now you have to feed the cow very well in order to get the dung for this tank. Now again we are going to see how we are going to make the gas collector. In order to make the gas collector, we need a steel iron boiler, plastic seal and a guide rail. The guide rail is used such that this gas collector tank should move up and down in a straight manner. So we will concrete the guide rail and place it in a tank full, a boiler full of water. Just place this guide rail as I have shown in this video. Now we are going to make the gas collector tank, where we need 3 holes in total. 2 for 1 hole of half-inch diameter. Half-inch tank connector is also connected, that is for gas inlet. Another 1 half-inch connector, that is for gas output. One is of 1.5 inch, that is for the guide rail. So we have 3 holes and 3 tank connectors collected. Now you have to place the gas tank over the guide rail and slowly open the valve so that the tank will be fully immersed in this water. So we'll wait for some time so that the tank will settle and take its position in this boiler. Now connect the outlet pipe, inlet pipe from the tank and the outlet to your biogas stove. Just tight it with the hose clip. Make sure there is no leak anywhere in the area. Fill the half of the tank with cow dung. If you are using homemade waste or kitchen waste, you have to fill the tank with the cow dung first to start this process. Then check for any leakage. If there is any leakage, you have to apply the quick fix and cement again. Clean it well. Apply the glue and seal. After 14 days you will be getting the gas production will be started, and again it will take 40 to 30 days to develop the feedstock. The temperature should be above 30 degrees Celsius for the gas production. Anywhere less than this will result in less biogas production. So you have a bubbler here so that the pressure inside the gas chamber and inside the digester will be different, and the gas chamber pressure should be greater than the pressure inside the digester. Now just we'll try, and it is burning. It has a blue flame, and if there's any rotten egg smell, you can connect an hydrogen sulfide filter for this one. I'll show how to make a hydrogen sulfide filter later. Now this is the gas. It is burning very good, and it has a good amount of calorific value. Thank you, and thanks for listening.